Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manually resize your images in HubSpot content. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your HubSpot dashboard where you can manage all your content and make the changes you need. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the navigation menu. From there, click on Content. This will expand a submenu with several options for managing different types of content on your site. You'll see options like website pages and landing pages. Both of these allow you to edit and customize your site's content. But for this example, we're going to click on website pages. This is where most of your main site content lives, and it's a common place where you'll need to adjust image sizes. After clicking on website pages, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Browse through the list and find the specific page that contains the image you want to resize. Once you've located it, click on that page to open it in the editor. This will take you into HubSpot's page editor where you can make all kinds of modifications to your content, including adjusting images, text, and layout elements. Now that you're inside the page editor, take a moment to scroll through the page and locate the image you want to resize. Once you've found it, simply click on the image to select it. When you click on it, you'll notice that the left side panel updates to show specific options related to that image. This is where all the customization tools for that particular element appear. On the left side panel, look for a section labeled Size. This is the area where you can control how your image displays on the page. You'll see a drop-down menu in this section, so go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down options, select Use Exact Width and Height. This option gives you full control over the image dimensions, allowing you to set precise measurements rather than relying on automatic scaling or percentage-based sizing. Once you've selected Use Exact Width and Height, two new input fields will appear below the drop-down. These fields are for width and height. Simply click into each field and type in the exact pixel values you want for your image. For example, if you want your image to be 800 pixels wide and 600 pixels tall, just enter those numbers into the respective fields. This ensures your image displays at the exact size you need, which is especially useful for maintaining consistency across your site or meeting specific design requirements. And that's it. You've successfully resized your image in HubSpot content using exact width and height values. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.